Click on the link below to get price. The 1000W folding electric bike is a remarkable blend of power, convenience, and efficiency that truly stands out in the realm of e-bikes. With a robust 1000W motor, this bike can effortlessly reach speeds of over 30 miles per hour, making it an excellent choice for both commuting and leisurely rides. The acceleration is impressive, and it can tackle hills with relative ease, allowing riders to conquer various terrains without breaking a sweat. One of the key features of this electric bike is its 48V 20AH removable battery. This powerful battery provides a maximum range of up to 80 miles on a single charge, ensuring that long-distance riders can confidently plan their trips without the constant worry of running out of power. The battery's removable design is an added benefit, allowing for easy charging at home or the office. It can be charged separately, which is ideal for urban environments where you might want to keep the bike secure while the battery charges. The folding capability of the bike is another highlight. It is designed to be compact and portable, making it easy to store in tight spaces or transport in a vehicle. This feature is particularly appealing for city dwellers who may need to navigate public transport alongside their bike. The folding mechanism is sturdy and user-friendly, allowing for quick adjustments without hassle. The bike's construction feels solid, and the components are of high quality. It features responsive disc brakes that provide excellent stopping power, which is crucial for safety at higher speeds. The suspension system adds to the bike's comfort, absorbing shocks effectively on rougher paths. In terms of design, the bike is sleek and modern, appealing to a wide demographic of riders. The adjustable seat and handlebars cater to various heights, ensuring a comfortable riding experience for everyone. Overall, the 1000W folding electric bike delivers an exhilarating ride with a perfect mix of functionality, style, and endurance that is hard to beat.